Okay, so today we are unboxing the Wouxun KG-935G Plus. This is the newer Plus version. This is a GMRS portable radio, and this is the Deluxe kit. So this kit goes for $259.99 at buy2wayradios.com. They are the exclusive distributor for this radio. And the radio itself normally goes for $169.99. So the question is, what do we get for $90 more as far as what's included in the Deluxe kit? So let's see. This is kind of a generic box, UV dual band. I mean, this could be any of their Wouxun radios in here. It is the Deluxe kit. I like the way they say limited edition here. It's really not what it is. And then we've got the 935G Plus writing here too. So, box. All right, first thing we have, of course, is the usual, the user's manual. I took a look at this online, and it's actually pretty detailed. I mean, I think there's like 60 pages in here, pretty well written. So this is really good. We have the radio itself, of course, which you would get in the regular kit. And there it is. It's got a really nice display. The Plus version now has like 10 different user background screens that you can use and adjust. Pretty cool. They give you 2 belt clips. And I actually thought, oh, okay, this is cool because it comes with 2 batteries. Oh, it's nice that they give you another belt clip, but actually the belt clips don't go on the batteries, but they actually go on the back of the radio itself. So not sure why they send 2, but hey, I'll take it. You've got the screws that screw the back of the belt clip onto the radio. And then this was pretty nice. You get not 1, but you get 2 of the 2800 milliamp batteries. And these are nice because on the Plus version, there is actually a USB-C charging port here with an indicator light. The capacity is a little bit less, I believe, on the 935G. The normal version, it's a 3200 milliamp hour battery, but the capacity is slightly less because they had to make the battery portion a little bit smaller to incorporate all of the the charging hardware stuff here. So you get 2 of those. And what's nice is these batteries are normally $30 each on buy2wayradios.com site. So $30 worth of your $90 upgrade so far. You've got the antenna here also. From what I've read, this antenna is tuned specifically to the GMRS frequencies, that being 462 through 467 megahertz. If we take this tray out, this is where we've got some more of the goodies here. So now, of course, they give you a driver's file. These are all available online. The one that they do give you is for the Plus version. They give you the programming cable with the driver for the programming cable. I know the programming cable itself is normally $16. That's not included in the standard radio. So it's nice having this. That was one of the reasons why I ended up going with this kit. Of course, you get the charging cradle that comes with the regular version as well. You get the headset. This is listed as a $10 option on as far as Wouxun on the buy2wayradios.com site. This was the other reason why I ended up getting the Deluxe kit. I definitely wanted the microphone. It's got an indicator light here. It's got a nice feel to it, nice tactile click. The microphone is normally $23. So that's that. Some more goodies. This one here is the USB charging cable. So this end of the charging cable goes into the dock that it charges on, and then this other end you can put it into a USB, one of the phone bricks, or you can put it into your laptop or any other USB power source you may have. Then this one is actually pretty cool. Oh, the USB charging cable, that's $9 on their site. This one here is the battery eliminator. This is $13. This replaces the battery on the back. You slide it on, 12-volt cigarette lighter type plug. That way, if you have it in your car, you don't have to worry about your battery running out. Just put this on instead of the battery, plug it in, and you're good to go. The battery eliminator was $13, if I didn't say that already. Then there's a leather carrying case. The leather carrying case is $16. Of course, they give you the hand strap that comes with the normal radio anyways. This one here, this is another 12-volt adapter. This one allows you to plug the charging cradle into a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. So that's kind of cool too. This one here is the $10, is the 12-volt vehicle charging cable. And then here, this is your AC adapter. This will go into your charging base. So you can use any of those. You can use the USB connector, you can use the 12-volt cigarette one, or you can use the 110 volt. And let's see. Oh, this was the other piece that was pretty cool. This is the antenna connector. It's only worth $3 according to their website, but this is nice. You can put your external antenna from outside, connect that, and then this has got the female connector that you end up unscrewing the antenna. This goes onto the top of the radio. Nice, easy setup, and that way you can use a base or actually, a mobile antenna if you have one mounted on your car. So that said, if you add up all the accessories, as far as the price that they charge on buy2wayradios.com, for that extra $90 more, all of those accessories actually add up to $130. So you're saving another $40 by doing it that way. As I had mentioned, I was really going to get the second battery and the microphone, and I figured by that time, you know what, I might as well spend the extra $90. You get the case also. I was hemming and hawing. I thought I probably would have bought a case for this thing anyways, at least for, some of the outside use. So I think between these three items I would have bought, it was a good idea to get the deluxe kit and then just get the additional charging accessories. So it should be pretty cool. The only thing I did notice is there is no USB-C, any kind of a cable that goes into, the back of the battery. They must figure that everybody's got them laying around the house. What I will do is this weekend, I already downloaded the Wouxun 935G Plus software from the buy2wayradios.com site. That only runs on Windows, does not run on a Mac. So I've got that loaded. I'm probably going to go ahead and program my local repeaters, kind of like what I ended up doing with my my Radiodity, my mobile that I'm using as a base station. And then I also have the B-Tech, the GMRS V2. And we'll do a review once we get this thing up and running and programmed. Hey, one other thing. When I was editing the video, I had noticed that there was another accessory in the box that I was totally unaware of, and I totally missed it. So I went back into the box and looked, and it is this battery pack that actually takes 5 AA batteries. You open it up, you put the batteries in here for a total of 7.5 volts, and you can slip this onto the back of the radio instead of using one of the rechargeables. So this might come in handy for if you want to throw, a set of Duracell or Everettis. They have a pretty long shelf life. Throw this in your, in your go bag, and you've got some AA batteries that are, good for the next couple of years in case you need it in an emergency. So this is kind of cool. I did look it up. It is a $13 accessory. So that actually brings the total of the accessories in the kit to $143, which is a $53 savings if you, bought each of the accessories individually. So basically, you got to decide. I mean, if you're going to use a lot of these accessories, this deluxe package would definitely be worthwhile. If most of the stuff you're never going to use, then you're probably better off, you know, just going with the radio itself and buying the 1 or 2 accessories separately that you might need. So I had mentioned on how Ocean's antenna was supposed to be tuned specifically for GMRS. And sure enough, if you take a look at the antenna bottom here, it says UHF. It is tuned between 462 and 467 megahertz, which is exactly the GMRS frequency. So anyways, I'll leave you with that. Thanks again, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.